Hi, this is Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to show you how to actually fix your search key. When you press the search, you type something in, and it just is really slow to populate. I'm not going to show that because, of course, mine's fast. But the reason why is because your indexing options is not completely set up or set up at all. Most people don't even know to do this. So you're going to press your Windows key and you're going to type in index until you hear indexing options. I'm going to give you the keyboard commands also because of course I'm doing this for all screen reader users. So I'm going to press the Windows key and I'm going to type in index. And indexing options immediately populates. I'm going to hit enter. And here we are. The first thing you need to do, just to quickly do this, is you're going to do Alt M to modify. There is an advanced option, so let's say your indexing is just broken and you need to restart it somehow. That's when you go to the advanced. But we're just going to do Alt M. Now, what you're going to notice very quickly is your Windows C is not even checked. You're going to down arrow and it's going to say checkbox not checked. Or you're just going to see that it's not checked and you need to hit spacebar. But another step, you need to right arrow or use your mouse and click it and go down to Windows, and Windows can also not be checked. That is where your search key is doing the majority of its searching. You're going to hit your right arrow, open that, go all the way down to the very bottom and make sure every box is checked. When you hit enter, you're just going to pretty much walk away from your computer. If you've never done this, you're probably looking at, yeah, I've heard some students and teachers tell me it took 1 to 2 hours because they hadn't done it in years. Anyway, at that point, you hit enter. And you want to do this about every 3 to 4 months. Now, my indexing is complete because I just did this a couple of weeks ago. So there's not a whole lot of newly created materials. But that is how you index your machine. And then when it's done, and for screen reader users, it will tell you indexing is complete. You can Alt tab off of it. You can continue to work. It's just going to really slow down your indexing. That's why I always suggest go ahead, walk away from your computer. Do it at night when you're done working and let your computer index. Restart your computer. And then, of course, you're going to notice a huge difference when you press that search key and everything is going to work so much faster. Okay, hope that helped, and we'll see you in the next Tech Vision Dr. Robinson video.